Okay, Ron, so I won't take up a lot of your time. I know you have a lot of excitement going on right now. My name is Nikki. I am a head plant operator for Pinellas County Schools here in Florida. I know our job title can have a million different names, but we are all here to achieve the same goals. I've been doing it for 5 years, so I definitely have a lot of catching up to do compared to you. 3 years ago, I was given the first Rock Star Custodian of the Year award. With that being said, I personally want to send you a huge congratulations on this achievement. You must be an amazing person to have so many people support and rally behind you through this entire process. After listening to you on the podcast, I know that you and I share the same passion and love for what we do. It's amazing to have somebody like Dave Thompson in our corner. He has truly set out to pave such a solid foundation to educate people on the fact that we are so much more than just custodians. The positive feedback and the acknowledgement that I've seen over the last few years has been amazing. We need to help him. We need to show the nation that there is so much more to what we do than what they think. With that being said, with all my fellow cleaners, custodians, janitors, plant operators, whatever your position may be called, I say let your keys jingle loud and show everyone exactly what we do. Ron, congratulations again. You deserve this in every way. This award was meant for you. Have a great day.